Yes,
Okay,
you
man.
are audible.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so first let's talk about on discourse. Anand sir posted a bonus mark type of activity, which is about the scraping the whole page which contain the pages. Now I want to show you something very simple thing. Let me share my screen. My screen is visible. Okay.
It's visible, visible.
Okay, so here is the post, and as you guys can see, I can easily open this post, no problem. Okay, any one of you can open it, and here Anand sir provide us a link, which link take us to the discourse badges page. Easy stuff. Now something interesting. I am gonna copy this link. Very simple stuff. I am gonna copy this link. I am gonna open a private window, which is incognito. This private window doesn't has my credential. It doesn't has my email ID or login password. I am gonna paste this link here, and I am gonna just run it. It is throwing some error. I mean not error, but it is not showing me that badges page. This page is here, but not here. Who's gonna explain?
Abhishek, you just can open your mic and speak. No need to raise hand.
Yeah. You no need to raise hand. You guys can speak. Okay. Okay.
We are not logged in because of that, I think.
Yeah. Sure. We are not logged in. So what happened? Let's see. I have this is my system. This is my let me show you. Let me make some drawing. This is server. Okay. This is server. Let's say like
Amit,
Yashin.
so the point is in the incognito, you're not logged in.
Yes.
Why that issue is there? Because when you just enter your username and password, it goes to the server at the back end and it sends you an acknowledgement alongside a cookie. That
Yes.
cookie has all of your credentials. So whenever you're next time, so let's say you're logged in and next time you're sending a request, the cookie goes alongside your request and it actually gets acknowledged at the server and it gives you the response back. So that's the main crike about cookie. I guess
Exactly.
that's exactly what you want to hear.
That's the thing. That's the thing. Okay, that's the thing. Let me explain the very layman language. So what happened? This is server. Let's say this is IIT Madras server, and this is my local system. This is my laptop, my machine on which I am working. Okay. So what happened when I log in first time? Okay. When I log in first time, this server send me a biscuit, a cookie. As you know, there are a lot of websites which just ask us to accept the cookie or something. So this is just a piece of information. So when I log in or when I just write the email ID and write the URL and click my enter button, so what happened? This cookie exchange between my system and server. So this cookies kind of work as a authentication information. Okay. So see here. Let me inspect my elements. And in the inspection, when I click on the network and let me refresh, as you guys know, this network shows the how much traffic I am getting from the server. So when I refresh it, there are some pages, and let me open any one single header. I can see some cookie stuff. See, this quite lots of cookies are here. Okay, so there is something called session cookie. Session cookie is kind of authentication key which helped me log in this session. And there is one more method. You better guys note this thing. This thing that I am looking this question like for the past 2 or 3 terms. Where can we find our cookies? So we can find our cookie in the inspect element. Then there is something called network and inside header. Inspect element, network, and header. And when we scroll down, we find cookies. There is one more method to find the cookies. Click on these. Maybe you will see some 3 dots, or maybe you will see this arrow like me. There is something called application. When you click here, and you will find cookies. When you click here and refresh, okay, it is not showing. Okay, here, just this arrow, this little arrow. When I click here, and I can see all these cookies. These cookies are the same as I can see it in network. Okay, So this cookie information is really important. So what happens when you have a website which need very specific user information? Only some few users can access it, like your our IIT Madras portal, like your login YouTube. Though I don't suggest you to scrape any commercial type of website. You guys can scrape any public type of website which are in open source. There is another website which I want, Movie Lens. This website was quite popular 2 terms back because ROE question was from this website. So you can make your ID here, and when we work on it, you will see that this website will also want some cookie information. So when we write a
Hello, Amit.
yes, please ask.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, no,
I
no.
just missed earlier 5 minutes of the session. So,
We
uh, if possible, can you quickly summarize?
okay. Then let me summarize. Okay, I was talking about the cookies. See, what's your name, man?
Uh, Prashant,
Okay, Prashant. Prashant, see, can you open this website? Can you open this web page, discourse.online degree IT or slash badges? Can you open it?
yeah, I'm opening this.
Okay. Now the important thing, can you open it in incognito tab? That's the question.
It is discourse dot online degree.
Yeah, it's normal about discourse and then slash badges. Now the question is, can you open it in incognito tab?
Uh, yes. Should I open?
Just try yourself. Can you open it in incognito tab? Let me try. See my screen. Okay, just tell me. Can you open it in incognito tab?
Uh, just a minute. It is asking for login.
Yes. So the thing is, you cannot open this badges page in incognito tab. It is opening login page. It is redirecting you. Okay. It is not opening badges page. So why? What's the reason? Because this badges
Because
only. Yes. Someone was
because it
saying.
is going through this login portal.
No. That's not the thing actually. The thing is authentication. To access this page, you need a authentication. You need a user and that password type of thing. Not everyone on the earth can open this page. Only the IIT Madras student who have the proper authentication key password can open this page. Okay. So we are talking about this authentication. How can we access our page? How can we scrape a website which require login? So if something is required login, we cannot just scrape it. We need that key. So that key is cookie. So how can we access cookie? Once again, go to inspect element, and inside inspect element there is a network. At start, when you click on the network, you will see there is nothing here because there is no traffic. Then you click on the refresh, and then you will see okay, there is some traffic is generating here. Lots of traffic.
Yes.
You open any you can click on anything, and then just go below, and you will see there is a cookie information. This cookie information is very crucial. So that's why initially website doesn't ask for the cookie. They just start accepting or just taking your cookies. Then European Association makes some rules. Now every website need to ask you whether you are accept the cookie or reject the cookie. So if it is not necessary, then it's a good practice to not accepting any cookies. Okay. So here is the cookie information. Cookie information is quite crucial. I will show you why it is crucial. Same goes
So
for our.
if we accept the cookies, what is done in our PC? It is stored
It is
permanently.
it is not permanently stored. Sometimes it is permanently stored. I don't know very specific, but yeah, it is generally stored in your browser. Okay, and whenever you log in the C, you don't need to log in. Don't need to give your email and ID and password again and again. Once you give the email ID and password,
Means here you have not given permission. Then also the cookies is there.
no, I think we give the permission when we first open the discourse at the very start. Okay. Generally, a website asks for permission only once. Once you give them the permission, they store the cookies. Okay.
Okay,
So
so
whenever,
if we open the random websites, any website which we have not opened earlier, then there these cookies will not be there.
sometimes some website doesn't want even want cookies, okay, so they have no cookie. Some website who have cookie stuff, and you open them first time, they ask for cookie. Or some fishy, if you're talking about some fishy websites, so maybe they don't even ask for cookie, but we do all this stuff. Okay. Okay, so let's come to the scraping part. So if I want to scrape this website, then I need to, if I want to scrape this website, then I need to use this cookie information. There is one more website which is good to scrape, known as Movie Lens. This is an open source website made by some university. I don't remember which university, but it is open source type of thing. I suggest you guys to just sign up here. I already signed in, so let me check. You guys better Movie Lens. Let me copy paste the link.
Amit, just a query.
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah, I went to that inspect one, but I'm not able to see that header wala strip.
Okay, okay. See, the thing is, okay, let me show.
I can see this one. You clicked over there, right?
Just go to inspect element. In lot of browser, it is known as inspect. It is known as developer tool. It is known as simple inspect element, whatever. Just click here. Then first thing, see, you need to pay attention here. First thing is your element. Element shows your HTML skeleton. This is your HTML part. Then you have console. Console is something like the JavaScript. We can do some JavaScript stuff here. Then source, ignore the source. Then you have this network. This network shows ongoing traffic. When you refresh it, only then you will see all the data transferring here and there. These are the API calls. You will see
Huh.
these API calls. When you refresh it, only then. And when you click on anyone, you can click anyone, and then just you need to go
Oh,
below, and you need to find somewhere cookies is here, request header. Okay, this is the
yeah.
request, this is the request which your system send to browser, okay, to in order
Mm.
to get the information. Okay, now I hope you find it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
everyone, for practice, I suggest you guys to just make a ID here. Okay, I already sent the link once again. Okay, just make an ID here, movie lens, and it's quite helpful for practice also. It is asking for me to log in and stuff. Okay, let me close my screen sharing and let me log in here. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Meanwhile, you guys also make a ID there, and we all will work together.
Just give us 5 minutes for making the account.
It is asking for,
I'm asking to give us some time for making the account.
bro, do it fast, do it fast. It is causing me some authentication problems. So yeah, I think I am gonna take few minutes. You guys better uh, create a ID there. Okay, Amrita is done, but I'm not able to log in my ID. Please give me few more seconds.
The site is not opening at my end actually.
Yes,
Maybe too much of traffic, maybe.
mm, maybe. Amrita, it is working fine for you?
Yeah, I have like I can see a few like the website saying welcome, join the pickup groups, and it is giving me action, fun movie, special efforts, classic masterpiece, and few options are given for. I think these are the genres.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
What? Okay, it is working for me also. I mean, I create a whole new ID. Okay, so let me show you guys. Okay, a lot of people are unable to open. Okay,
Yeah, this is the welcome page. I can also see.
just select two or three things, man.
Yeah.
One, two, three. Just randomly. Okay, so the important thing is what I want to show. Okay, I don't want to see the tutorial. Okay, it is loading or something. Yes, this is the page. This was the home page. I remember it. Okay, so if you look here, so see, this is movie.org.home and it is customized for me. This is my uh, email ID and stuff. So when I look here, there is some cookie formation and I cannot open this page without login. Okay, without a login, I cannot open this page. So here the cookie information is really important. So let's start scraping this website. I want just some anything from this website. Okay, so anyone who can open it, so just start working with me. If you guys are not open it, then I suggest you to try again someday and or you can apply the same principle for the badges. Okay, so let's open a Colab notebook and let's work with me. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, are you guys working with me?
Yes.
Yes, I
Okay, maybe someone is not able to work because of that website. Try to open it in incognito. Okay, try to open it in incognito. Okay, so let's start. First thing, I want to send a information. So which library I want to send the information to server so I can bring all the stuff in my Python notebook. So which library do we use to bring all the website information in our Python? Who's gonna tell me?
Requests.
Request.
Nice, nice. I can recognize the voice of Shayan, but who's the other guy?
Aditya.
Aditya, nice. Okay. So is it request or requests?
Requests. S.
S. Okay. So we are going to import the request, and after importing request, I have lot of content like in HTML in extra. Then I want to beautify it. So which library should I use?
BS4.
Beautiful
Beautiful
soup.
soup.
Beautiful
Beautiful
soup.
soup.
beautiful soup.
Nice, nice. So everyone just write the commands and start. It is BS4. Then I need to import beautiful soup. Remember, B is capital, S is capital. Okay. After it, what's the next step? Next step is defining the URL. Which URL I want to open. So let's URL. URL is I'm gonna copy paste lazy guy here. movielens.org/home. I'm gonna do it here. Okay. And let me run it without any preparation. I'm just gonna do it. Response is equal to requests request dot get. We generally use get request and then URL. Then I'm gonna print the response. Now the response is 200. What is the meaning of the response 200?
It's actually saying that status is okay. That means if you get the response from the website, that means you're
Yes,
allowed.
yes. It means my URL, just the simple. My URL is fine. My URL is correct. It is hitting the right server, and that server is sending me, okay, you are welcome. This is the ledger server. Let me check what is the text response.text, or I think it is response.content. Okay, it is response.text. Once again, quite a dirty text. I cannot understand it. So let me use beautiful soup. Okay. So let me create a function in beautiful soup. I can name any, and I can name anything. We generally use soup word. Soup is equal to beautiful soup. Okay, so what's the convention? We discussed it in the last term. I mean, not the last term, last session. Whatever the name of the library, whatever the name of the function, we give it a variable. After it, we generally give the name of the library. Inside it, we generally put our parameters. So what are my parameters? My first parameter is response.text, because this is the thing which I want to beautify, which I want to parse. So response.text. And then since this is the HTML, how can I see that this is the HTML? Who's going to tell me why this is the HTML? How can you recognize it? Not Shan, not Shan, not Shan, not Naren.
We
Due
can
to
see
the
that
tag.
with the help of the tags.
Okay, what's your name, man? Aditya?
Yes.
Okay, Aditya. Yeah. Because of the tags, as you guys can see, this is a tag, HTML tag. And we discussed in our very first session, HTML code starts with HTML tag and with this close, this slash type of thing. Okay, now I'm going to use HTML parser. Okay, run it, and I'm gonna just soup. I want to see what's the content there. Now you can see this mess is very much cleaned. Now it is very much regular. So let's see. Document type, something, something. Okay. This is a very small content. This is not my whole website. Huh? Do you think that this is the from website stuff? No, I don't think so. I don't think that this home page has only this little information. See, this homepage has quite a lot of divisions, quite a lot of this front page section. Inside it, I can see content, quite a huge content here about the movies row and stuff. But I cannot see this stuff in my Python notebook. Why so?
Because that is not the URL which you have provided is not the correct one, which contains the names of the movies and stuff.
But I copy paste the same URL.
So that is by default. I think that is by default the one which we are redirected to when we visit the site first time.
You are forgetting something. I
It has,
just,
it is checking that if we are logged in or not.
yeah, that's the reason. So, okay, see, when I click here, just movielens.org home without any sign up, then this page has different information. Either my net is slow or my browser is totally under heavy burden. Okay, so this is, yeah. So you can see. So this is a different stuff. So the important thing, I cannot see whatever is provided on my home page after login. Okay. So I need to log in. I need to provide some cookies. Okay, there is one more thing. There is one more thing. Sometime we cannot find the information from just from these things. We need to go to the network and we need to check the API. API keys are quite helpful here. See, I'm gonna refresh it. It will generate some network. Okay, network is some traffic is here, and I can see first thing is me. Now I'm interested. What is this me stuff? Okay, there is some more stuff front page. Okay. Now I am okay. Front page is here. Collections. Okay. Now I am interested in this me stuff. Let me open it. So when I want to see what is inside this page, I need to check this either preview or response. Let's check the response. Okay. So this is quite a huge response. And anyone gonna tell me what is this language in the response? What is the data type of this response? Is this HTML?
It's
JSON.
JavaScript.
JSON.
This is
JSON.
simple JSON. Yeah, JSON. Okay. This is simple JSON. Okay. So I can see this is me information is about me, my email ID, my just username. I just log in a few minutes back. So this information is here. How can I get this
Excuse
information?
me, Amit. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, this me and front page, these are what it is representing. Me, front page, collect, and
Okay. It is, you can say this
website.
is API. These are the APIs. Do you guys know about the API? Okay. This is important thing.
Yes.
This is important thing. How many of you really know about the API? Or how many of you not know about it? You guys can raise your hand. There's no need to hesitation, man. I am also a student. I also don't know a lot of things. So if you guys don't know about the API, please raise your hand. We will discuss. We will discuss in few lines. Okay. Yeah, it is perfectly fine if you guys don't know because I also don't know about it. Okay. Yeah. We have 7 people. Okay. Sufficient. Sufficient. We can discuss. Just 2 or 3 minutes. I need 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. So see. Okay. I watch some YouTube video, read some book. There's a very nice analogy. You guys just go to a restaurant. Just pay attention. You guys go to a restaurant, and there is a restaurant. There is a chef. This is a chef guy. Okay, this is a chef guy, and this chef knows lot of recipes to cook. Okay, and here is you. You're just sitting on a table waiting for your food, and here comes the waiter. This waiter generally wear this type of pose. Okay, okay. So the thing is, if you ask your waiter. Okay, so what is the secret of this restaurant? The secret of this restaurant is the recipe, whatever this guy generally cook. Okay, but when you go to the restaurant, this waiter just bring you a menu card. What do you guys think? And when you pay, when you do some order, then this waiter also give you some a full dish of a recipe. Okay, just consider this waiter as an API. So what happened? This restaurant will not gonna tell you the secret of the recipe and stuff. This restaurant, let's say this is a huge website, it will not give you all of restaurant data. Okay, it has a lot of data in the database server which is not public. This chef will not give you this data. Okay, but you still want some data. You can still use some data. You can still eat some dishes but not the recipe of dishes. You can get this menu card but not the recipe card. Let's say this is recipe card, stick in the wall. So this is the work of the API. So you have a companies has a very huge database. We user doesn't have the access of that database, but there is some information which we can access. So we can access that information with the help of API. So API, you just consider API is a waiter who can give you some usable information, some information which is made public by the company, by the website. Okay, so this is the API in the layman language. I hope it is clear. Anyone say something? Anyone has any question? You guys can
Yes,
ask.
it is clear.
It is fine. It is clear.
Shayan, was my explanation sufficient? What you say? You want to add something? I guess Shayan is not here. Okay, so these are the API calls.
No,
So,
actually, sorry, my
yeah.
mic was off. No. I was trying to say that that was the perfect layman explanation that
Thanks, man.
I've ever heard on API. So yeah, good job.
Okay, so as you guys can see, this stuff is not giving me the whole structure of the website. Okay, but this is giving me some useful information, whatever I want. So this is the information what me, the user. How can I access this information? I can access this information here. You guys can see http://movielens.org. This is a link for API call. It is not the link for the website, but okay, if I'm gonna run this link, then what will happen? Let's do it. If you guys have any doubt, run it. As you guys can see, I got the same information as the response here. Once again, in the JSON format. JSON format is really important. I will talk about JSON format very soon. Okay, how to find out a specific thing inside JSON. This is a very important trick. Okay, so now you guys can ask, okay, Amit, just remove this plain URL from here and just copy paste that this me type of URL. Maybe it will work. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm copy pasting this me URL. Run it. I got the response 401. Oh my god, what is this stuff? What is this heavy number? So what is response 401? Who's gonna tell me?
It indicates an error in the request.
It's
Okay,
actually unauthorized, right? It's unauthorized access.
I remember unauthorized is 403. Let me Google. I'm
403, right. It's
no,
403. It's 403.
okay.
Unauthorized is
So
403.
first check
It's
403.
forbidden.
It's
403.
invalid authentication.
Okay, 403 is invalid authentication.
No, 401 is invalid authentication.
401 is okay. 401 is
Unauthorized.
unauthorized.
Yeah.
Then what is 403? We just stuck it. Refused to or forbidden response status. Now I am confused. Let me read. Particularly noteworthy. 401 authorized, unauthorized. 403 is forbidden. Okay, okay, okay. Which means 401 you can access it, but for now you are unauthorized. Once get the proper credential and you can access it. 403 seems like totally forbidden. I don't know why, but okay. So the thing is, this one is unauthorized. Now you guys can see it is working here because we already exchanged the cookie from my browser to the server. It was working, but it is not working here because I am using some other tool, which is Python. It is not Opera browser. This is Python request. So it is not working here. That's the place I can use my cookies. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, so how many of you are already at this mark? I'm gonna silent for 5 minutes. You guys please process what we discussed. Try it yourself. Try one or two or few more cookies, and we will discuss scraping very soon. Just tell me if you guys are clear about the what is the importance of cookie. Okay, I want to hear some noise. What is the importance of cookie? Are you guys clear? At least
Yeah.
2 3 noise, man. Yeah, Shane,
Yes.
Aditya,
Yes, I
more.
am clear.
Okay, cool. Are you guys clear about the API? There are a lot of
Yes.
technicalities. You guys
Yes, sir.
better read it. Please don't call
Yes.
me sir. I'm
Clear.
just Amit. Okay. Are you guys clear why I'm not able to open this me stuff here, but I can open this me stuff in my browser?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, guys, spend little bit time. Just create a notebook for yourself. Just see the difference in the both code. Use beautiful soup. I will be continue after maybe 2 minutes. Okay. Meanwhile, you guys continue. You guys can open your mic, talk, and speak or whatever you want. Okay, so are you guys ready? On the same page? Shall we continue?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Nice. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. So now I'm gonna use cookie. So where can I use cookie? When I send my information to the server, that's the place I need to use cookie. So I am sending my information here. Okay. So here I can use cookies. So just write COOKIES cookies is equal to COOKIES or I can write my cookie. What is my cookie? Now I need to define this thing. I need to define my cookie. My COOKIE. Okay. So let's do it. So first thing, I need to find my cookies. So where are my cookies? This is my page. Okay, this is not my page. This is my page. Inside my page, this is header. I pick the URL from this place. So I'm gonna find the cookie at the same place. Okay. Though I can find the cookie here also. Here are the cookie. but I prefer this place. There is a reason why I prefer this thing. I prefer these cookies. Copy, and I'm gonna paste the cookies. My cookie, paste. It will not work. It is showing lot of error. Why? We need to place our cookies in the form of dictionary. So let's do it. And now you guys are gonna ask, what is a dictionary? But you guys already completed your Python, so I will just give the very small explanation. So dictionary for the first thing for the dictionary,
It's key value pair.
key value pair. Perfect. This is a data structure where we input our information in the key value pairs, and also one of the uh, feature of the dictionary is the curly bracket. Okay, inside curly braces, I can write my stuff here, but this is not the proper way of writing. Proper way of writing is we have a key inside quotes. Then in front of that key, we have this colon, and then we have values. We can give lots of values separated by commas. Okay, so now you can see this is my first key value pair. This is my key. GID is my key. This is the value of GID separated by comma. This is my first key value pair. So you need to do it manually, or you can use ChatGPT to do it, or you can write a Python code by replacing it. But I like to do it manually.
So
I-
how we came to know that what value is key and what is value?
okay, why not? See, just pay attention here. Pay attention here. What you can see this is a equal mark, which means this is a something variable, and this is the value. If I want to convert my variable and value in the dictionary, so how can I convert it? Variable becomes a key, value becomes a value. The important thing, we need to put it separated by colon and put it inside these single or double quote. Okay, everyone please do it. This step is crucial. This is how we uh, enter our cookies. Okay, I am almost done. You guys better be ready. Okay, maybe you guys gonna ask, ki, why so many cookies, Amit? So the thing is, I don't know the answer. There are a lot of things there, and for everything we need different cookies. Are all these cookies are important? Answer is no. There is only one or two cookies who are sufficient for running the whole session. But the question is, I don't know which cookies there. Do I know for the because of experience, ML4 session cookie is sufficient. But since we don't know which cookie we really need here, so let's put all the cookies. Okay. Now my thing is complete, very much complete. I have this request URL. I have my cookies. So let's run. Let's see. Now see, my response is changed. How many of you noticed? Initially, it was, what was it initially?
It was
40
401.
401 everyone.
401, 401. And what's the meaning of the 401? Is unauthorized. Content is there. Content is there on the website, on the server, but I am not authorized and not the right person. But now suddenly, when I gave my cookie, this person said, okay, yeah, you are the Amit. Okay, fine, man, come. You are welcome. So you guys know response 200 means everything is fine. Okay. Now let me run this response text. And this seems familiar, huh? This seems familiar. This is my email ID, my name. Okay, I'm not supposed to show my email ID, but okay, fine. You guys better not show it. So now I am happy, man. And now I am happy. Okay, so this I have this stuff. Okay, response text, and this is what I desired. This is stuff here. Tell me if you guys are able to find your own information.
We are typing now, actually.
Okay, take your time, please. Take your time.
I am done.
What's your name? You are Aditya, huh?
No, Sahil Adia.
Who? Shayan.
Sahil Adia.
Oh, Sahil. Okay, Sahil. Nice. Okay, let me call your name so I can remember you guys, huh? Aditya is regular, Akash is regular, Amrita is regular, Anand is, it's Anand sir, okay. Uh, Carlton is regular, Harshita is regular, Kunal, I don't know Kunal is, I think it's the first time. Bala, I remember Bala, Madhuresh is regular, Shant is new, Priyanka is regular, Sandhya is new, Shayan, I don't know, Shayan Bhomik, Shayan Vishwas, okay, Sahil is regular, Sharat is new today, Shyam, I know Shyam, Shikha Shri, yeah, Shikha Shri was here, Smriti, I don't remember. Sucharitra was here. Okay, so very much regular people. Okay.
Yeah, done for me.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. Two more minutes. You guys just take 2 more minutes and catch me up.
Would you later sharing the this collab file ID with us or link with us?
No, this is practice session. I mean, it is for your benefit. No need to share the link. Just if you want to show, you can share your screen. If anyone is excited, want to share your screen, show your achievement, you guys can share your screen if you want. But I suggest to not share your public information here. And this is for practice. No need to share your collab notebook. If you guys have any problem, anyone is stuck somewhere, scraping something, then always post on the discourse. I am not much available because some
No, no.
Carter is always there.
Are you going to share this?
Okay, no, I am not
Collab
going to
note?
share. I am not going to share it. Though the recording will be available, I hope I'm recording. Recording will be available on YouTube. You guys better create your own notebook. I'm not going to share this notebook. This is not important. I mean, just this is very easy stuff. Hmm? Okay, next step. Next step. Let's work on this. Let's work on this soup. What do you guys think? Shall I press it? Okay, I'm gonna press it. I click on the soup, and it is not showing much difference. Why so? Because it is JSON. This is JSON. Okay. So actually, there is no need to use the soup now. Okay, there is one thing which Carton just mentioned me. When you open a website, when you use this URL, then website has lot of styling also. So it threw a lot of stuff on us, like the whole styling, this some JavaScript stuff. But when we talk about pure information, then these API really helpful. These API doesn't have any any decoration on it. As you can see, it has the very pure, very bare minimum to the point information. Okay, so this is what Carlton just told me. Useful stuff. So see, here this text is in the JSON format, and I don't need to beautify it. Okay, I can just work on it. So now here come how to read the JSON, how to find whatever I desire. See, here I want my email ID. Okay, I want my email ID. Once again, don't share your email ID publicly. And okay, so I want my email ID. So how can I read this JSON file? Here I click here, pretty print. So it is the natural form. This is the little bit form with indentation, easier to read, though you guys can read it also. But the first thing, inside this file, my response.txt, let's call it A or X or A is equal to response.x, and let me run A. See the same stuff. So what can I do? I want to pinpoint this stuff, my email ID. So how can I do? First thing I can see, inside my dictionary, there is something called status, which is equal to success. Then a comma. But I want to try it. I want to try this thing, status. So let me write A. Since status is a key, so let me write it status. This is how we write it inside the square bracket and one single quote. When I run it, it will give me, you guys can guess already. Oh,
We haven't converted to JSON. I mean, dictionary.
yes, okay. Okay, so the thing is we need to convert it into JSON stuff. So how can we do it? We can just import JSON. Let me run it. And then we need to just do some A is equal to JSON loads. JSON dot LOADS loads. Remember S, spelling mistake. Okay, now let me run it. And now you can see it. Now it is very much structured, like that, pretty fine. Okay, I remember someone post a thing on Discourse. That person was running this JSON.loads, this file, this command, and it was not working. It was throwing some error, just because the text which is inside it is not in the JSON form. Okay, maybe it is just plain simple HTML. Now you can see this stuff is JSONify, and you can read it very neat and clean like this. Okay. Okay. Now let me check A status, and you can see A status is success, but I don't want it. I want something else. So let me try another key, which is data. So let me try data, because I don't know what I want. I want my email ID. So that's how we scrape. Okay, I got data. Inside data, I can see my email ID. Nice. Now I can dig in. So inside data, I can see there is one key, XPT info, but you can see XPT info means nothing. It is empty dictionary. So I'm not gonna check it. Inside num rating, it will give me 0. Let me try. Num rating ratings. Who's gonna predict the information? Who's gonna predict the output? I just told it. Someone?
0.
Yeah, it is 0. Okay, so this is not what I desire. So let me go one step back. Okay, so now check me another key point. Okay, there is one key point. This seems promising. Account. Copy and paste here. Account. Let me run. Yeah, now I am getting close. Here I have one more dictionary, and inside the dictionary I can see email. So let me pinpoint it, and let me write. And here is my email. Okay, are you guys clear how can we work inside JSON? If you see that your output is in the form of JSON, then you better use this library JSON, and then dot loads. This is simple function. You always need to use it, and then your whole stuff will be JSONify, and then you can go inside one dictionary to another dictionary to another dictionary with the help of keys. Okay, with the help of keys, you can pinpoint your information. Little task for all of you: find your own email ID. Okay, and tell me if you guys face any problem. Anyone can speak, anyone can show screen, anyone can do whatever you want.
Amit, for me,
Yes, Prashant.
I am just opening movielens.org/home. So it
Right.
is giving response 200 without using cookies.
Maybe you log in earlier and now you want to log in again. I mean, this is
No,
very. Have you run the whole notebook? Just click here, run time, and run the whole notebook once. Maybe it is fetching the old information.
no, it is. I have not written much. Just I have imported the request library, and then from DS4 import beautiful soup. URL is equal to https://movielens.org/home,
Okay, Prashant,
and
can you
then
share
this.
your screen? Can you share your
Yeah,
screen
yeah,
so
yeah.
we can? Yeah,
Sure, sure,
yeah.
sure.
Please.
Amit, he's
Yes, sir.
actually scraping the home page, the
Oh,
thing
okay.
that we all did first. Now you're actually doing the API, right? So
Uh-huh.
for API, we need the cookies.
Yes, Prashant. Yeah, that's the thing. Prashant, the thing is you are scraping. Okay, just first show your screen. We will see it.
Is it visible?
Not yet. What about other everyone? We have 20 or 19 people. So what about other? I can hear only very few selected familiar voices. Okay, nice. What about the new people like Sharat, Kunal, Smriti, Balavira, Harshita. Harshita is regular. Sandhya is new. Sandhya.
Yes, I've just managed to log into movielens.org.
Why so late? Why so slow, huh?
It was not opening, it was just continuously browsing and browsing.
Okay, I hope you are catching up very soon. Okay, just try it, everyone, try it. Okay, all of you who is able to catch us up. So just one exercise for you. As you guys can see on the home page, as you guys can see on the home page, just click on any movie and you will see some tags are there. When you click on a movie and just browse little bit below, you will find some green marked tag. Try to scrape those tag information. Once again, use API. It is easier. Try to script those tags information and just tell me if you guys are able to do it. Okay. Meanwhile, Prashant, we are waiting for your screen.
Sure. This, yeah. Now it is visible.
Yes.
So I have written this code.
Okay. Okay, so Prashant, now I suggest you just put response.text and see which type of text you are getting.
Dot text.
Is this the text? Is the same whatever you are getting after login?
Uh, Means my home page.
Yes, your homepage.
This page.
Inspect the element. Just yeah. Just increase the size of that pen. Click on some line and you will find that's that. Yes. No. Just look here.
No, this is quite big.
This is very big and this is have a lot of like the body you have that the body inside that there's a lot of stuff that UI view. Just click on those three dots between UI view. Just go below. Yeah. There. Yes. Click and see. There is one more arrow. When you open it.
This one.
Yeah. See, lot of content. One more. Open it. Open it. What do you think? This website is quite big, but this is not what you got. So why? Now you are going to explain. Actually, Shan already explained it, but now you are going to explain. Why so? What do you think about it? Show us your notebook.
I think complete website is not visible to me.
See, the thing is, when you write that URL movielens.org/home, the website show you something. Website show you some login bar, that write your email ID. It does show you something now. So this is that stuff. But if you are gonna try to find about the movies about that me information, me, you will not get anything. Okay, so that's the difference.
Okay.
Okay, so you are getting some
Okay. So
information. Yes.
so where should I go for that?
Think. Tell us. You better tell us. You are here since the very start, no?
Yes.
Today. So then you are gonna
Actually,
tell us.
this is my first session.
It's fine. For everyone else, this is their second or third session. It's fine. Okay,
So
so
some me
network. Where can you find APIs? Go to the network. Refresh your page. What about other? Yes, it's refresh. Now just pick anything. See, maybe you will find me. Yes, click on the me. Here is the header. In the header, you will see the requested URL. This is the API stuff. Okay. Copy paste it and use it. Also use cookie in the dictionary format which we just discussed. Okay. Try it and tell us if you face any problem. What about the other? Everyone, please, are you guys able to scrape the tags? You can stop sharing your screen, Prashant. Okay, so I hope the cookies stuff is very much clear. Someone was asking me how to scrape the badges. They were not able to scrape the badges information from the discourse. But once you understand the cookie, then you can scrape it. Okay, then you can scrape it. The badges about all the information about badges. For this,
Excuse me, Amit.
yes, please.
I was the one asking about that. So
Uh,
I have understood how to scrape using cookies, but in the networks tab, I can't exactly find the URL where the badges are displayed. So I think that is why I haven't able to scrape it.
okay, let me check. Let me check once. Okay, lot of stuff here. Let me clean and refresh. Okay, there are only three or four stuff. I can't see any heading related to badges. But once again, not all the stuff are in cookies. I mean, not all the stuff are in API. There are a lot of information in HTML also. So you guys can also check the HTML stuff.
I
Not
tried
necessarily.
using this HTML only, but for every time I do that, I am getting an empty list. So after that, I tried using cookies, but I am not able to get it. So
Here I can see is not badges information, but the personal chat information. Okay. Uh, it is not here. Not in draft. Not in update. Not in poll. Not in update. Okay, it is sending me update. Okay, it is not here in the API call. This information. Let me check the elements. And for checking the element, there's a easy way. Click here, take it to one card. Okay, it is here.
it's here, but when I try to scrape using the class, so then also I'm getting an empty list.
No, 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 no. I don't think so. I mean, if you just able to pinpoint it in correct way, then you can find it. Let me see. There must be some pattern. Uh, See, first thing, every division ID is like number 14, 16, 18. Okay, this is something. Class is okay. Every class is also different. You can use a for loop here. Once you come here, inside the division class batch group list, you can use a for loop for every batch. And then
Okay.
inside it, you can see name is different, display status check. Just compare any two, which means um, here, let me check. This is this division, parallel to it, number 12. Inside it, you can see, okay, this is different. I can see the information here. I can see the information here.
Okay, I'll try this and get back to you.
Yes, yes. I mean, you can do it here because I cannot see any API, but I can see. See, just use this copy paste copy type of thing and pinpoint. You can pinpoint your stuff. I can see certified and how many certified complete to tutorial and how many people are there, and you can see the number 650. So here you can find it. Okay, in
Okay, I'll
HTML.
try that.
Yes. Okay, meanwhile, everyone, a little exercise for you. Just on the movie lens page, just click on a movie. Batman is a Dark Knight is one of my favorite. And then you can go below and you can see all these tags. This was the question. This was the question I remember 2 or 3 terms back. Okay, they give you just two movies and they ask you to compare their tags. And which is the tag which is getting the highest ranking or highest number of hits in both movie. So just think how can you solve it? Okay. The
Can you repeat the question, Amit?
yes, yes. The question I don't know the exact wording, but the sense of the question is in that question they just gave us the two movies, any two movies, and then they ask, okay, when you click on those movies, you will see the number of tags. Let's say Dark Knight, Night and Hunting. Okay, so when you click on open a movie, I don't know why it is taking time. Then going down, you will see quite a number of tags here, like a 278 Heath Ledger, 71 Batman, 32 Dark Knight, 221 Superhero. Same goes for Goodwill Hunting. Goodwill Hunting also have lot of tags. Robin Williams, psychology, inspirational, excellent script, genius, Matt Damon. But as you guys can see, top tags for Batman are different than top tags are Goodwill Hunting. So the question was, Two movies are given. Find the top five tags which are common in both movies. Okay. So if I say intelligent, feel good, great acting, great villain is here. Based on comment. Music, cinematography. So as you can see, Robin Williams psychology, all the top tags. This is the top tag for this movie. These are the top tags for this movie, but they are not common. Okay. So if I want to find the top tags on the both, then I cannot do it that easily. So it's better to scrap it, create two lists, and find at which position which tags are, which elements of the list are same. Okay. So just try it. Try it. Let me check once. Okay, how can we find all the tags information? So here, either you can do it inside the element. Inside the element, you can go just pick a simple number. Here, this is tag information. Tag title is dark, and the number is 332. Either you can scrape your whole HTML. You can find the two or three list and combine it in the CSV format. Either you can do this thing. Second thing, with the help of API. I hope API is easier. So let me try. Okay. Here I can see very clearly this is a tag information. Click on it, and this is the response. Okay, this one is better, even better. I can see. Let me check. First one I can see Heath Ledger. Heath Ledger is here, and very easily you can find not only the number but the total. How many positive? How many neutral? You can see only okay total text 278. How many positive? How many neutral? How many? What is the score? So see, API gives you very pinpoint information just in the JSON format. And we already study how to write or read JSON format, how to find our desired stuff inside JSON format. Okay, so JSON format API is really helpful. So here you can find the tag information. You can make a whole CSV file and then you can compare it. This was a question from the ROE, so don't take it lightly. Just try it. Okay. Now ask me anyone. So one of my agenda was to complete discuss about the cookies, and it is done. Now you guys can ask. Please ask me any question. Just try it. Try it.
Amit, can you explain this last step once more?
Ask me
How to
exact question.
find this text?
Uh-huh.
How to find this text?
How to find distance? Okay, once again, once again. Okay. See, this is your website. Your website which is fully loaded. Okay. Right click, inspect element. In many browsers, it may be developer, tool, inspect, or inspect element. Click on it. It will open this stuff up. See, here these are the tabs. These tabs are important. When you click on the element, then you can see lot of HTML stuff. Can you find all this tag information inside HTML stuff? Answer is yes. You can find all this information in the HTML. How can you find it? Click here. This some kind of arrow and copy type of thing. Bring it on any information which you want to retrieve. Let's say click here and click on the this logo, and you can see it is showing me this before user or something. Click on it and bring on anywhere. It will give you that information. Let's say Michael Caine. I like this actor. Okay, see here division class tag something. Let me zoom in so you can see it better. Okay, where is the Michael Caine? Okay, I lost him. Psychology. Okay, psychology. So when you click here, you can see, okay, there is some more information. When you click here, you can see some more information. When you click here, you can see more information. And now you can see psychology. Title is psychology. So you can find your title here. When you click here, you can see some information here. And after clicking it, you can pinpoint the number 161. So can you find everything inside HTML? Answer is yes. You can find everything, every information in HTML. But there is lot of distraction here. Lot of CSS, background, styling, all this information. Now my question is, what is the easy way? So in my opinion, API calls are always easier than scraping HTML. How can I find API calls inside network? But there is nothing, Amit. You are fooling us. No, man, I am not fooling you. You need to generate the traffic. How can I generate the traffic? Just click on the reload. I clicked on the reload and you can see there is some traffic information is going on. Okay, okay. Some information is here. This is me, about me. What is this stuff? This is about a list of, okay, this is about the movie. This is the information about the movie, The Dark Knight. What else is there? Yeah, this is Christian Bale, Heath Ledger, Michael Caine, Gary Oldman. Okay, man, all the information. What else? This is similar. Okay, something is there. Then I can see tags. Is this tag information? This is the tag information. And you can see this tag information is very neat and clean. No rubbish here, no styling, nothing. You can see very clearly which is your first tag. According to this information, first tag is Heath Ledger. Yes, this is Heath Ledger. Total number of tags are 278. Is it 278? Yes, this is 278. What is the second tag? Is Batman. Yeah, Batman, and this is the number. So this is API call. How can I get this API stuff inside my Python notebook? Next question. So what we just did, go to the header, find the suitable API URL, a URL which consists this API information. Copy it and paste it. What happened? Yes. Here. See, the same stuff is here. So you guys got the idea. You can bring this API, you can put this API inside here, in your Python notebook, provide it the proper cookies information, and then you can use this JSON technique to pinpoint your stuff. I hope it is clear. If anyone has anything, no need to be hesitate, and you guys please ask. You guys
Can you show how to do on the HTML, means requesting the website along with the cookie?
Okay, I remember correctly that we did this HTML stuff in my last session.
No, I mean requesting the HTML along with the cookie, because when I did right now it is showing error, but with API it is working.
Okay, then let me try. Okay, so first thing I need to pick my this URL. My URL is now a little bit changed. movie.lens.org movies, and this is the code of this Dark Knight Rises Batman movie. Okay, so I'm not going to modify my code. I'm going to write a new code.
Okay.
URL underscore one, or let's say 2 is equal to this stuff. Cookie is going to remain same, so I'm going to just pick this same cookie, copy, and here these are my cookies. Now I am going to run the code, request code. Okay, so let me try. Let's call it data. Data is equal to requests request dot get. Inside I have URL number 2. Then I have my cookies, my COOKI. Okay, my underscore COOKIES cookies. Okay, no, my cookie. And what is my cookie? Basically, my cookie is COOKIES cookies. What is my cookies? My cookie. Let me run data. I hope it will work. Response 200, which means okay, yeah, success. I
When
want
we print the data, I think it is showing different HTML.
let me try print, and here is my data. It is still response. So I better try my old method, which is text.txt text. Okay, now quite a lot of stuff, but it is small, huh?
Yeah, this is not the, I mean, this is the error page which shows that our browser is old or something like that. Means I tried reading the HTML.
Yes, it is here. You are using an older browser. It is, yeah, it is. but it's short. It should not be in this manner.
Yes, this is the same thing that is showing for me also.
Okay, so let me try. There must be something. Okay, let me think.
User agent header.
Yeah, Carlton just suggests me that I should better use user agents header. Okay, so see, interesting thing, interesting thing. See, when I click on the network, so I can not only find cookies here, but I can also find the information about my browser. It is known as the user agent here. This is user agent. So
We
I
have to
am.
make a dictionary in the same way like cookies for this also.
Hmm? Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Okay. So let me bring it here. This is my cookie, and now let me let the header 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 is equal to what is my header information? This is my header information. This is Mozilla, Windows, Apple, something. Okay. Since it doesn't have some stuff like, so let me try putting in this manner without anything, without dictionary format. Let me try. Let me try this once. Okay. So my cookies, comma header header is equal to header header. Okay, let me try it running it. This is header. Okay, it is throwing error. Okay, let me check it one more. This is user agent, so let me give it the name as a user agent. Header is equal to this user. What is the spelling of the user agent? There is a little bit hyphen, so let me try this hyphen. Capital USER user hyphen agent. Capital A or small a? Capital A. Capital A. AGENT agent, user agent, and then this dictionary format. Let me give it here. It is already okay. Now let's try. Let's try. Okay, once again, some problem. HEDR header, everything is fine. Session request got an unexpected keyword header.
I think it is headers.
It is headers. Let me try headers. Okay, something better, something better. At least we got some URL. I don't know if it is sufficient. It is no need to excite it. It is still outdated browser. Okay. Now this is something interesting. Now I need to really think about it. Why it is happening so. How about putting all the information, all this information as a dictionary there? Shall I try it? What do you guys say?
Yes, we can right click and select copy all, I think.
Yeah, I mean, other than cookies, I don't want to select the cookies. So let me try it first. Maybe I'm gonna take a little bit more time. You guys, meanwhile, if you guys feeling some boredom, you guys can.
We are also trying, I think.
Yes,
Same.
yes, please, man, please. That's really okay. So I'm gonna try. This is the fun, really, man. Teaching TDS is really good. I mean, I'm teaching it like for the past two term, and still I always get something interesting. Okay, now converting it into JSON is also careful stuff.
You can click raw in the page, in the headers. It will give in JSON form
What where?
directly. In the page, the you will
Here.
click the raw in the request headers raw just above this one.
Oh, okay, okay.
Raw.
Thanks, man.
It will
That's
give in the JSON format.
that's a savior here. Is it showing the Yeah, this is really good. Cookies is also, no, it is not exactly proper format, but okay, fine. Better. This is copy. Thanks, man. What's your name?
Akash.
Akash. Thanks, Akash. Okay, now it is little bit easier. At least I have different lines. Thanks, Akash. This is really fast. Meanwhile, other please try it. Maybe you guys find the solution before me. Comma and every that colon is really important stuff. So yeah, there's the cookies. Okay, so one thing is very clear. If you guys have a need to scrape anything, just try to do it in API. API is faster because in the ROE is generally 45-minute long. So if you're gonna do this stuff, it will take forever. But for learning purpose, okay, it's good.
In the ROE, will the websites have APIs or they won't?
Hmm?
In the ROE, the websites will have good API, or sometimes some websites don't have. So.
I can't say anything about it because in the past they give some website which was quite hard to scrape, and it was totally in the HTML. So I can't say.
Okay.
Okay, it is done. It is done. Okay, let's run it. Okay. I have no hopes. Nah, man, nah. You are using an outdated browser. Okay, I have no solution here. Let me try one thing only.
But actually, we left that cookies method. That might be the problem because cookie for different page will be different, no? Different API.
I don't think so, but okay, let me try these cookies. But yes, this is true. Different page cookies sometimes, most of the time cookies are different. But I don't think this is a case here. Let me check one thing. These two cookies seem same. 198, 198, F19. These are the same. These are the same. So I'm just gonna copy paste this stuff. This stuff inside header.
In website, it is not my cookie, right? Cookie.
Oh, yeah. My bad. It is simple capital C cookie. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Okay, it doesn't want this part inside header. But still we are not able to achieve whatever we want, that HTML part. So let me try another thing. Just last try. Let me try this. This is page of this movie. Okay, once again, it is not showing the HTML part.
Yeah, even that URL we didn't change.
No, I changed the URL. See, here we changed the URL. This.
Okay.
Yeah, see URL 2. It is showing the same error.
But why are we using cookies twice here? Like cookies also has my cookies and header also has cookies.
No, I removed it. It was causing some error, so I removed it. I was just trying to put the full header, because here you can see now this cookies is also a part of request headers. So that's why I was trying. But it was causing problems, so I removed it. It is still not giving me that HTML part. It is giving me that old outdated browser. So yeah, by the help of API, I can scrape it. I can find. But when it is about the HTML part, so I'm not able to find. So some of you better write it on the discourse. So me and Carton will also look into it. For now, I can't able to find it. Okay, everyone. So that's a really nice question, Akash. It totally beats me. Anything else you guys want to ask? Oh yeah, one technique which is totally lame. If you guys have nothing to, I mean, if you if you guys have no chance to do anything now, just try one thing. Just click here, save as HTML. Just download the page. It will download it as the static page, and then you can scrape this static page. Okay. If okay, Akash was asking, what if there is no proper cookies? Okay, accepted. Maybe there is no proper cookie. So what you can do, and you can also not able to scrape it because of the browser problem. So what you can do, you can just simply click here, save as HTML file, and then you can do it. Okay.
The images and style sheets will be downloaded then.
Everything will be here. So we need to see. Okay, let me try. We need to see how can we do it. Are we going out of the topic or something? Okay, this is here. Uh, darknet something. Okay, this is HTML. So let me try to do it. This is cookie stuff. I need to, okay, in the collab I need to paste that file here. TTS darknet. Okay. This is here. This is HTML file. Maybe I need to use pandas now to read HTML. Maybe I need to, let me try. Import pandas as pt data is equal to pd dot read underscore. I don't know if it is a function, but let me try. Let me rename it. Dark or Batman. HTML Batman dot HTML and then data. If it will not work, then okay, it is not working. Then we can use a simple file reading command. How to read file in simple Python. Open with the help of open. pd.open. Open, comma, as r. We are going to read it, so it is as r.
You need to save it somewhere, like f equals open batman.html in R mode, and then you need to do f.read, and then you can
Yeah.
just do it.
f.read. Okay.
No. That f.read is fine. That's a method. First off, you call the method, then you run a for loop and just do it. Over that f.read or something.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
say
I
data
remember.
equals
With
f.read lines or f.read.
yeah, with the help of lines is equal to f.read.
F.read. Then you run a for loop on lines. Let's say for I in lines, you print I, something like that. You can do that.
Yes. Okay.
Or maybe firstly you need to understand what I is or something. Sometimes because you need to strip it, or what kind of format it does
Yeah.
have. We don't know.
Yes. So let me just try a very rough thing. Let me just try. Okay. Yeah, it is here. It is working, but very very rough. So yeah, Carlton is suggesting me that I should better write read lines. Read lines. Let me stop it. It will take. Okay, it is done. LINES lines. Read lines. Okay, let me try. Yeah, thank you, Shane. Thank you, Carlton. I am able to open this HTML. I don't know if it is the correct part, but okay, let's see. It is quite huge. It is quite huge stuff.
It is working, right? You can just
It is
have
working.
each line, and
Yeah,
even
it
the
is.
JSON is there.
Yes, it is working. Now I am little bit. Since that tag stuff was inside tag inside tag inside tag, and a lot of arrows was there, so I don't know if it must be here somewhere. Star box width. Okay. Control A.
Control.
Okay, Scarton is suggesting me that I should use Control F stuff. Will it work? Let me copy Control A, copy. Let me try do it in my notepad. Control V. So this is the whole stuff, and Control F. Let me find a single tag. I remember tag was like Batman. Find next. It is here. It is here. That summary part is here. I remember there was a summary part, and tag. Yeah, this is here. Title Batman. Okay, I remember there was a title Heath Laser. Heath. Heath. I hope this is the right spelling. Title Heath. Yeah, it is here. Title Heath. Tag title Heath. Okay, so this stuff is here. The number. Let me check the number. Heath was like 270 something, 278. Yes. Okay, Akash, Shayan, we got this stuff. Title is here. Uh, that number is also here. Okay, so this is also we just discovers not discover actually. I tried this earlier. There was once they give the cricket data set, and that cricket data set, that website was dynamic. So we need to download that website in the HTML format, and then we need to run it. Okay, so we find it. We find our stuff here. Now maybe we can run it inside the beautiful soup and find some tags. So let me check how to do it. I'm not pretty sure if I can do it. Let me try. For I in lines, print I. Maybe I can just let me try print lines. Yes, it is here. Okay, everyone, this is HTML stuff. I hope it will work. No, it is very small. Okay, Carter is suggesting me to check the documentation of Beautiful Soup. beautiful soup documentation. And everyone, whenever you guys, okay, why so silent? Why so silent, everyone? Are we discussing something very hectic? Are you guys there?
Yeah, we are
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
Yeah,
Join
we
Very
are.
us.
few, very few. Oh, sorry, everyone. I mean, like, it's quite a tough topic. So, but whatever is there to learn, you guys already learned. We study about the cookies. That's more than sufficient. We study about the API calls. That's very much more than sufficient. This is for like the for very totally extra stuff. So let's continue. Okay, so this is the documentation. I suggest you guys to learn how to read documentation. So let I cannot read whole, so let me just use this thing, HTML, lots of HTML. So maybe I can use some keyword like open. We use open, so let me try open. Okay, yes, we just pinpointed with open index.html as FP. I'm gonna copy paste it. Copy. And let me try. Let me try it again. Paste. Now try to understand. From PS4 import beautiful soup. We already did this job in earlier with open index.html. I'm gonna write batman.html because that's my file as FP. Why it use FP? Let me call it file. File. Okay, file is already reserved word. Okay, FP. Soup is equal to beautiful soup. FP. Soup is equal to beautiful soup. I just want to see what. Okay, just remove it for now. Let me run it. And now soup. That's how we do generally. Yes, it seems better. It seems better. Not beautify, but I can see everything is very much compact within this window. Now I am satisfied. Now I am very much satisfied. I have a full confidence that now we can use very simple thing and find dot find all, and I want to find all tags. It is showing me. Seems like that again. Okay, I'm going back to this page. Where are my tags? Element here. Inside division class tag. Okay, division class tag. Soup dot find all. First thing is division, div division. Then here I have a dictionary named class, CLA class, and inside that class, what is it? Tag. Was it tag or tag? Tag. Tag. Okay, now I'm gonna run it. Confidence is high and stuff is here. Fine. Fine. Something is here. I
Excuse
want
me,
to.
Amit.
Yes, yes, please, please.
I have finished working on the question which you gave.
With the help of API or HTML.
API.
Okay, so are you satisfied with your job, whatever you did?
Yes, I am.
Nice. If you can got whatever you desired, then it's okay. What about the other people? Class BTN group. I hope this will help me. Class BTN group. ML4 tag. Division tag. Class BTN group. Inside it, that the class BTN group. It seems promising. So I will try to find it. Division class BTN group. Okay, so let me try it. Find all something. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do? This is find all. I'm gonna find everything. Inside it, I'm gonna uh, find class. It was for find division class between group. So inside it, I am gonna find division, and now the class is CLASS classes between group. Okay. Let's see. There's no attribute. How would find all? Okay, wait. Wait, I'm doing this wrong. Let me try class here. I don't know if we can put two classes here. So let me try. Yeah, actually we can put. Let's see. Not much progress. Not much progress. Class tag. This is beaten group. I'm still not able to pinpoint. Class beaten group top. No, actually we are good. Division class beaten group title Heath Ledger. Division class beaten group title Heath Ledger. Okay, so we are close. We just need to scrap it. Let me use 1. It will give me only first instance, and this instance is division A. Heath Ledger is here. This is the Heath Ledger. So let me try dot text, text text. Heath Ledger and okay, we are close, but it is not very clean. Okay, so we need to little bit dig deep. We need to find stuff more. As I am saying again and again, there is no hard and fast formula. You can only do it. First thing, you need to be very clear what you are looking for. Once you find what you are looking for, then you need to do a lot of trial and error. So this is here. I can see Heath Ledger. I can see this number here, 270 something. So if I am writing text, so I am getting the answer, but it is not in the clean format. And I don't want it in this manner. I want it in the separate stuff. So yeah, I need to do a little bit more Python here, a little bit more cleaning stuff, and maybe I want using some these tags. So let me try, or you can guys do it at home by yourself. Find SPN span. It will throw error. I mean, we are close. We find whatever we want, but not exact close, not at the pinpoint condition. So we need to little bit more work, and we can find it. This is the second tag. Second tag is this is not. Yeah, second tag is Batman. So yes, we can do it. I mean, we need to find stuff. Let me try one thing. Soup is equal to x something. X dot find span. Okay. I don't know if it will work or not. Okay, closer. See, this is all about hit and trial. There is no exact ABC rule, but every time you do something and you get closer. Uh, Now I got something, but I'm still not satisfied. There is something else. I want the name. Okay, you guys got the idea. I need to spend some time. I will find it, that's for sure, but it will take time. Now I'm leaving it as a homework for you guys. Okay, now one more question. Anyone has any question?
Excuse me, Amit.
Yes, Aditya.
Can you please show again that how do we copy the HTML of the website?
Nah. Okay, let me show you. But I don't want to show you. But okay, let me show you. The thing is, just do it. Do it. See, the thing is, what I did. Okay, let me repeat my process. See, everyone. To be very honest, we are going very way off from our desired structure or the syllabus. But this is stuff. Okay, so the thing is, what we did.
No, I'm not asking this. I just want to know that how did you extract the entire HTML of the website into a file? Then
Oh, okay,
the
okay.
scraping part, I'll do that.
See, it is very easy stuff. It is not only for this website or any website. Just click here, save as. When you click on the save as, you will save the whole website with all the element as a HTML. Okay, just any website here also save as, and you will see when you click on the save as, it will show HTML format. है ना?
Yes.
Just click save and you will find it.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
Thank you.
let me no need to say thanks, man. It's kind of my duty. I'm sitting here for it. Okay, just have a very quick review. So we were using API calls. API calls was like easy cake. Everyone was like having fun. Then Akash asked me this stupid question. Not stupid, Akash, just kidding. Every question is really important. Akash asked me, Kemet, I want to do it in HTML, but I am not able to open my HTML because it is saying upgrade your browser or something. Okay. There is one more thing. Sometimes websites are dynamic. Let me tell you what is the meaning of a dynamic website. Let me tell you. I was working on this website, ESPN Cricinfo. Uh, Someone gave me this task to scrape this website, and find the whole cricket match. Let me pick this cricket match, okay, or just this cricket match because this one is live. I don't want to use. Okay, someone just give me the task to Amit find this, scrape the everything from this cricket match. Okay, whatever stuff is there, whatever chart, whatever table, or everything. So what the problem is when I start scraping, I was not able to scrape it. The reason is, wait, the reason is this website is dynamic. As I am scrolling down, see this image just uploaded. This image just it was not here few minutes back. And also look at the length of this slider. As soon as I am going below now, it is become small and small and small. Why? Because the content is still loading. It will be better if I will show you some World Cup type of thing. Let's say T20 World Cup. In T20 World Cup, there was something called live commentary page. I was scraping live commentary page. Okay, just not here. Some teams, India. I was scraping a live commentary page. So what happened is, okay, I can't see live commentary, but it was a live commentary page. And as soon as I was scrolling down, it was just getting updating. I mean, it was just updating as I was going down. So in that case, I was not able to scrape it from the website. So what I did, I just click here, not here. I just click here and save as HTML. So once I have a HTML file inside my uh, system, so which means this file is no more dynamic. This file is static. There is no changes in this file. So it is also a trick. So I just scrape it in this manner. Okay, so it is a really useful once you have some website which is dynamic, where the content is regularly updating, but you want to inspect it at this moment, this instance, then it's a better practice to download it in your system. Then you can scrape it. Here I use this Python method, simple method, which I just forget about it. Shane and Carlton helped me. So this is a simple Python method. So it was not working. So we read it in line by line. So all the lines are separate. Then Carlton told me on the documentation page, there is a specific method ki how to uh, upload something in from your system and scrape it. So I use it with open name of the file as anything. You can write anything. Amit, you can write whatever you want. Soup is equal to beautiful soup, or just beautify your stuff. Here is the soup, here is my whole HTML content. And then I start looking for the tags. What are the tag, what is the class, and I worked on it, and I eventually find it, not in the proper manner, but okay, I was just very much close. Okay, so I hope everything is clear here. Please ask if there is anything to ask. Everyone,
Yeah, it's clear.
I hope it is clear, and please ask me. I mean,
Yeah, Aditya, actually, for me, the API part is not working. So,
okay. But API part, I don't know why it is not working. It is easiest stuff. What about
yeah,
other Aditya?
for me,
Okay, Aditya, you are up to the mark, na? You are learning everything. Akash is
But
fine.
for the
Mhm.
discourse one, you told me to copy the HTML. I tried that, but the HTML file is very small, so it's no use scraping that one, and it doesn't contain any of the badges information.
Okay, this one here.
Yes.
But you can, I think you can find it easily.
Excuse me, Aditya. For the badges, you have to actually click on the badge itself in order to get the details of the users who have received the badge. So if you click on the badge itself and inspect that page, you will find the uh, JSON API response for those badges, and you will get the list of all the users who have received those badges.
But that will be too hectic. No? Like there are so many badges, so if I scrape them one by one, it will be very
No,
tedious.
no, you don't scrape each person. You scrape that page. Say, for example, you click on a badge called certified.
Yes.
It will give you like 650. But what happens is there is an actual JSON response, and you can just get the JSON body itself, and it gives you the list of everybody, and you put that in a for loop, just like we have been showing, and you should be able to scrape it quite easily. Then.
Okay, no, but that's what I'm saying. Like there are quite a few badges, so if I scrape each of them individually, it will take too long.
You mean the number of badges are many, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think the idea is to scrape all badges. The idea is to find something that would provide some insight, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, someone else can comment who has already worked on this bonus question if you have something to share. Has anyone else tried the bonus question?
Yeah, I did. I actually scraped only 5 badges with heavy numbers or maybe important things. Let's say basic, anniversary, or some other. So
Yeah,
it gave some insight. So yeah.
yeah, that's
I
right.
mean, there are some badges you see 0 or 5 or 10, so they won't give any resourceful things, right? So just target for heavy badges which have lots of users there.
Okay, I'll do that then. We can submit it by Tuesday, right?
Tomorrow, I think.
Okay.
Amit, one thing, you did the lines, right?
Yes, yes. First I
You
did the
did the
lines.
lines, right? So
Yes,
so can you try the same thing on the lines? Because I think it should work. Because with
it
open
should
is a
work.
function method. So if you apply the same thing on lines, I mean, after you do that lines, uh, can you check if you can apply the soup on lines or not? The way you did for the BS4 thing in
Yes,
the
yes.
with open. Just try once because I think it should work. I'm not sure, but let's see if it works or not. Because if you're doing with open batman.html in a
Hmm.
reader mode as FP, so that means the file content is gonna get saved on FP, right?
Yes,
So if that
yes,
works, so this should also work. The point is over here the file is getting written, not written. The function is reading the file at once. In read lines, it's
yes,
actually one by one. All the lines are getting read. So
yes. So we
you
can
can
do
try
it.
once.
Yes, we can do it. Let's call BS is equal to B8U. And here I should just put this stuff. Lines is equal to F dot read lines. So let's see. Yeah, theoretically it should work.
You can just give lines actually, huh? That lines. I guess it should work, but not sure.
And let me run it again. It is writing something very different. It starts with. Okay, so it is saying markup, about the markup, because here
What's the type of the line? I mean, the lines, that thing. What's the type? Can you see that?
yes, in the
Oh,
lines
okay, okay.
it
No.
is not proper
Mm-hmm.
HTML format. It is not proper
Yes,
HTML tag.
yes, yes.
Let's say these
It's
lines they are just starting without any tag. So this is
it's
just
just
txt. Yeah,
dumping the thing. Yeah, it's just
dumping the
dumping
thing.
the
Yeah,
thing. It won't work. Yeah, it won't
it is
work.
just a
You have
txt
to go by
format.
the function way.
Yes,
You
yes,
have to go by the function format.
yes. Okay, someone was just asked the question about that tag batch stuff now. So I was scraping a website of the from the government of India. So there was different pages. But when I look at the format, I don't know if it will work here or not. But when I was looking into the format for the each batch, no, it has just a different number here. Like I was scraping a government website about the Indian states. So what I realized, there are 28 Indian states. So I just create this HTML in a string format, and then I just run a for loop like 1 to 28. So I don't know if that thing will work here in the badges, but just try. Maybe each badge has a different number, and once you can run it that badge number as a suffix of a URL, then maybe you can get whatever you want. It is just a suggestion. I don't know if it will work. Maybe it will save your labor. Though I can't see any different specific for each batch page. Okay, let me check if there is anything. Okay, scraping part is very much done from my side. There is one thing which I want to discuss. We already discussed about the JSON. Okay, there is one thing about pivot table. So I think that pivot table is really important thing. So if any one of you want to study about the pivot table, then we can continue. Otherwise, session is very much over from my side. Modish is asking for the link of this session. Modish, it will be uploaded on YouTube page, YouTube channel of TDS. Okay. Okay. So anyone has any question? And please don't call me sir, or no need to call Carton sir. We are just a student like you. Okay. If anyone has any question, then we can discuss. Otherwise, really good session today. And Carton want to make an announcement.
Okay, so I know we were scraping earlier the tags for the page that was downloaded, and we were looking for the tags on the actual page. So sometimes, when lots of things are going on, it's difficult to find the exact tag to look for. So just as a quick demo, I'll just share you my screen, and so if you remember, we downloaded the file. So okay, I used a different file, but it's the same principle as Amit mentioned. You download the whole file locally onto your system. You open it as a soup, and then you carefully inspect the element that you're looking for. So in this case, we were looking for this adventure, or these tags rather. And so when you click, oops, let's try that again. Go here. So as you can see here, this element has got this class on here. So you have to copy this exact class to be able to find what you're looking for. And all of these have that same class, and they're inside an A tag. So when you go into your soup, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for the A tag, and this is the exact class you're looking for. And then when you print, and of course it gives you a list because it's find all, and then you will get all the tags related with that particular movie that you're looking for. So this was from the HTML, not the JSON. But of course, it's much easier from the JSON. But to answer the question, I think that Aditya asked earlier about scraping the HTML, you can do it. Just got to be very careful with the selectors that you're using. The session from, I think the last session that I had done, I know the video was not yet uploaded, but it will be uploaded, where we talked about selectors. But the key is to use the selectors carefully. Remember, it was an A tag, and it was the exact class. And then notice we get the entire same exact thing that we see here that Amit was showing you earlier. Okay, I hope that helps. If you got any questions, you can ask.
Sorry, I just joined the session, so I have no idea what is happening in this. So, but I want to ask, is this only Python based, or do we need to learn something else like HTML, SQL, or
Modish, this is mostly Python based, but yeah, you need a little bit of knowledge about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. JavaScript is not that important, but yeah, HTML, CSS. For
so
it, you
how
can
do
watch our previous sessions, and when you scroll the week two content, you will find some 3 4 optional uh, TA sessions, which we recorded last term. So those are really helpful. Okay,
so that will be that I can find in playlist
on the
YouTube.
portal, on the portal, on the portal, on the under the course content, and also everything is available on the playlist. Someone Madhuresh just share the link. I am just copy pasting the same link again. Thank you,
No, no,
Madhuresh.
actually, in on my portal there is only 3 4 minutes videos. So I
You
thought
need to
that,
scroll down. You need to scroll down.
okay,
Okay. Open the week two portal. Just scroll down at the bottom. It is a single page portal. In the single page, you will find lots of videos. Some videos
okay,
recorded by me, Carlton, in the previous term are there. I hope they
okay.
will be helpful. And we are recording our today videos too, and it will be available on YouTube very soon.
On the dashboard, no? You are saying.
On YouTube. On YouTube. Today's video will be on YouTube. Previous
Uh,
term videos on the dashboard.
okay, okay, all right.
Madhuresh is saying, I created a post on Discourse regarding the upgrade to new browser problem. Everyone, please try solving it when you get time. Okay, sure, Madhuresh, we will try. Though we just find something, but okay, we will try. Okay, everyone, I am closing the recording. If you guys have any question, you guys can still ask us.